Hi everybody. So today's video is a 1966 Avion. I've heard it today said Avion and I've heard it said Avion and I'm not sure which one's right. Tell me how long it is?
19. Sportsman 19.
Sportsman 19. I like this size really. So he does not want to be on camera. So I'm just going to show you everything. And he said it is about 95% original. So let me get back here and I'll show you the living room area back from a distance. Yeah, so I don't think they did a lot to this one. You can see the ceiling is peeling, so that's all original wallpaper up there. And then they've got a little table here, the drink set, and look at the cute little salt and pepper and jelly thing. That's cute. So here's the kitchen area. This is a really nice size. It just seems really wide. It's got a lot of room. Cabinets up there. Some old kitchenware. So here's the bathroom. I'll get back so maybe you can see it better there. So the man that owns this said he does not shower in here because it's so small. But you could if you weren't a real big person. I could shower in there, no problem. So that's the bathroom. And then here is a couch that could be another bed. Get back as far as I can here and show that to you. Okay, so there's the layout, the bathroom, the kitchen, and then I'm sitting on the couch in the front. It does have an air conditioner up here. And I'll take you and show you the outside. Alright, thank you. Look at that spare tire cover. I've never seen one like that. Alright guys, that's it for today. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.